Hi guys, do you want to know how to make this beautiful balloon bouquet for Valentine's? If you do, please stick around and I will show you how. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here. If you're looking to know how to make balloon design or balloon decoration, this is the perfect channel for you. We have lots of balloon video tutorials for you to choose from. Please subscribe to our channel, Why. So with that said, I will be making a balloon decoration for Valentine's for this blog. So all the materials that we use here, we'll put the link in the description down below. Please check that out. And I'll be using this bubble balloon or bubble balloon. The size of this is actually 18 inches. So before we inflate this, make sure you stretch the material. Okay, I'll use my leg, my lap, and then stretch just like that. Okay, so we will inflate this. And after we inflate this, we will put our balloon, heart-shaped balloon. I inflate it like that, leave it for a couple seconds, okay, just to stretch the material. So I'm gonna put this on top of this bouquet, flower bouquet, so just like that, not too big, okay. Even though this is 18 inches, I'm not gonna stretch it to the max, okay. So I'm gonna release this, make sure it's nice and round. Release the air. I'll stretch more. Stretch on the side. Alright, so we're ready to put our balloons, our heart-shaped balloons inside our bubble balloon. So I'll be using your balloon stick. Stick it right in here. We'll stick this in our bubble balloon. And using our pump air on your heart-shaped latex balloon. And make sure there's a nice heart shape. Tie your latex balloon and cut the nozzle of your latex balloon. Then I'll put a little bit more air on your bubble balloon. Just let it sit right on the nozzle so keep the air intact for now. So we'll probably put 3 heart-shaped balloons. Perfect size. So now I'm gonna pull this, stretch the nozzle, and then you can tie this. There you go. So we have enough balloon right there. There's 3. So now we'll attach this to this one right here. So I actually got this from the Dollar Tree store. This is a balloon guarding stick or something like that. We have this here. So I cut it like right here. So about this size, just enough so when you stick this to your flower bouquet, it'll stick right on the top, okay. So it's securely on there, just like that, and then we'll stick this right on the center. Just like that. Alright, so we'll be using this ribbon. And I'll put this on top, just like that. Put glue right there. Alright, so we get the glue there, so I make sure this is centered. The Happy Valentines, and I'm gonna wrap another layer so to cover the glue there. Alright, so we got that on there. So we'll stick something on top. This one, the bow. Just like that. We can put this on top. If you want to know how I made this sticker, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow right there. And there you go, it's finally done. I hope you can see that right there on top. So this is our bouquet for today's video, right there. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Once again, this is FemMNY. We will see you guys in our next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you, bye!